So the first level of contributions you can make to the Cerebral project is documentation. And actually documentation is the most important contribution you can make to a project because it's very hard for the maintainers of a project to uh, come from the perspective of being new to it. Like, we've been doing this for so long, so pinpointing what's needed in the documentation to ease the understanding of how things work is very, very difficult to do. You should ideally be a completely new beginner to make contributions to documentation. And we have tried to make this as simple as possible. So when you're on the Cerebral website, on any page you can click this Edit on GitHub button. So when you click that, you're brought to the actual file where the content of the page is located. So to actually make a change here, you click the Edit this file, and then you go in and you make your change. And you can preview the changes on this tab. And when you're done, you can write some information about why you made that change. And then you create a new branch to start a pull request. I think this is on by default, but because I am an admin on this repo, I have the ability to commit directly. But anyways, all contributions to documentation will most likely be merged in, because every iteration is better. So there won't be like huge discussions on deciding if this should be in or not, as long as it's correct. Even if the perspective is a little bit different, it doesn't matter, because I think iterations is the way to actually improve documentation, not over discussing every single little detail. So what you do is you click this and you do propose file change and you're done. And so doing these kinds of contributions is super valuable to the project because it will help the next new developer to understand the project better.